Hello students, how are you? We are in our science lesson, Shadows and Shapes. Learner's book, page 44 and 45, Skills Builder, page 28, 29. Okay, so we are going to study today some shadows of some animals, how to make them. Let's see. Let's look at this one. This one, we said before that a shadow can be done by if the light is blocked by an object. But we can make shapes of this shadow. Okay? So these shapes can be made and reflected on and casted on some paper or a wall and make interesting, nice shapes. Try this at home. Get a source of light, open it, and try to move your hand in shapes and make a shadow that can be different every time, like this one or this one. This is a very small and fast recap. We said before that objects, in order to cast shadow, it has to be opaque or translucent. Okay, transparent object cannot cast shadows because the light will go through it. Light transfer in a straight line. When it is blocked by an object, it casts shadows. Now in this activity, try to collect some, as you can see, collect some objects as you can, an eraser, plastic, pen, pencil, whatever. Try to look something far away through each of these objects. Is the light from as far away object able to travel to your eye? Try to block your eye with something like this notebook. Can the light can go through this? Try to identify them according to this. For example, get a plastic something or a glass and see through it. Is the light going to transfer through it? Is the light going to go through this to your eyes or not? Now let's do this one. Pencil. Is it opaque, transparent, or translucent? The pencil is opaque. Why? Because the light cannot pass through it at all. It is opaque. While the rubber ball is, if we have a rubber ball, what do you think it will be? A rubber ball is opaque. Sorry. While the sheet or white paper is translucent. From this, we can understand this. Opaque object is that the light cannot go through it at all, not even partially. But translucent is like papers or things that light can go through it. Can you see? Light can go through it. You can guess what is behind it. Light can go through it. Partially, no. You can guess what is behind, but you cannot know for sure. So this is translucent. They are like sheets and writing papers. Okay, learner's book, page 44. Making animal shadows. Try making these shadows at home. This is your homework in page 44, exercise 4.4. Try to do this at home. Try to do this and see a bird, this face of a bird, and things like this. This is some examples on how to make shadows. This is to help you. I'll send you this presentation. You can open it and try to do these at home. You can take a picture of yourself and send it to me on K12. You can also make a shadow puppet. Open Learner's Book, page 45. Try to get a piece of paper, cut it in the shape of a bird, make a hole for the eye, and open the lights from a mobile or a torch and make a shadow puppet. I hope today I give you some ideas on how to make different shapes of shadows with your hands and the puppet. I hope that you understand the difference between opaque and translucent. Opaque things that are dark things that light cannot go through it. However, translucent means that the paper is a little bit can the light go through it. Okay, this is the difference between the opaque object and translucent objects. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do the activities and send it to me on K12. I'll be waiting for it. Thank you very, very much.